Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at infant, otherwise known as baby, CPR. We're going to show you the whole thing first, and then I'll break it down for you step by step. Just to recap, an infant, otherwise known as a baby, is from birth to 1 year old.
You okay? You okay? Can you hear me? No response. Can you go and call the ambulance, please? They're not breathing. Can you go and make sure the ambulance is coming?
Now, after 1 minute of CPR, if you haven't already called the emergency medical services, this is when you take the casualty with you and go and find a phone and make the phone call to the emergency medical services. Now, what we're going to do is break that down for you, and we're going to go step by step. Now, if you want to, you can go and get a cushion and pillow or a teddy that you can use as your casualty, and you can watch the video and join in. I'm going to check the area for danger, making sure it's safe for me as a first aider. And if it's not, I will then make it safe. I'm then going to check for a response. I'm going to talk to the infant, but I'm also going to tickle their feet and tickle their hands to see if they can respond to me. If they don't respond, I'm going to activate the speaker function on my mobile phone and call the emergency medical services. Or I'm going to ask a bystander to go and call the emergency medical services for me and ask them to get me a defibrillator. I'm then going to open the casualty's airway. I do this by placing one hand on their forehead, 2 fingers underneath the chin, and I tip the head back, but only so slightly. It's a neutral airway we're looking for. It is not an overextension of the neck. I'm then going to look, listen and feel for normal breathing for up to 10 seconds. And if they're not breathing normally, I'm going to give 5 initial rescue breaths. Now, when I give my initial rescue breaths, I'm going to put my mouth over the infant's mouth and nose, and I'm going to blow in using a cheek full of air, being careful not to overinflate the infant's lungs. When I blow, I am also going to then look, make sure it's gone in, and also to breathe in fresh air. After I've given 5 initial rescue breaths, I'm then going to perform 15 chest compressions and 2 rescue breaths. Now, when I perform a chest compression, I'm going to push down 1/3 of their body depth. And I'm going to use 2 thumbs to do this because infant is quite small. I'm going to place one thumb on top of the other one, and I'm going to aim on the lower breastbone and the center of the chest and push down 15 times at the speed of 100 to 120 beats per minute. After 15 chest compressions, I'm then going to do 2 rescue breaths. And I'm going to just keep on going. Now, if nobody has called the emergency medical services, I will keep performing CPR for 1 minute before I take baby with me to go and make that phone call, and then I would carry on. I will talk about the use of the AED in later videos.